Good morning, everybody. Morning, everybody. So this is Kosol talking, and welcome video early morning on 10 October. It's raining. It's raining. I took down from our building already, but it's hot. So this is done. So breakfast. Small rain I gonna bring down to under the trees with the fruits. And let's say good morning to everybody. Don, good morning. Oh, heavy but a lot of fruits here, so maybe don't just okay stay here with the near the motorbike. Don, good morning. Don, nah, Don. Good morning. Hey, Don. It's rain, it's cold. Don? Woo! Don? Don? Nè, cho nhau giống. Don? Bắt khơi vào. Don, hey, Don. Don? Oh, good morning. Oh, cannot say. Oh. Maybe I bring Don to under the tree first. Because I don't want Don get wet. This is Lisa. I want to fit down the water. Okay. Wow. Done. There, water. Này. Tắc tắc. Này này này. Don't want. Okay. Keep stay. Now we can go to under the tree first. Lỡ từ bên này xanh rồi. Mọc. Đi ra. Don't can stay here. No wet. Raining everyone. Now Lisa got breakfast alone. So now I keep down here. First because here has the tree. No wet. And keep the water here. Then go back to take the fruits. This morning the seller give a lot of fruits. I buy as normal $5 for breakfast. If I buy milk, $3 more. But it's raining. It's hot. Last night, around midnight, heavy rain, everybody. Cannot sleep. It still has the rainy season. So that's why it rains. So this is done. Yeah, finally we reached the goal. We arrived everything here. We open the door. Don, I think Don want to. Ma. Don. 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 Nào. Mà. Tránh không? Con tránh. Mà này phạt. Mà. Tắc. Don. Tắc sân. Mà. Tránh mà. You don't want. Okay. You can sleep here. Maybe cold, warm. Yeah, outside raining. Okay, that's fine. You don't want water. Huh? No, I don't. No, you sleep well. You have friends, so it's okay. Dawn is better from 1 to 1 day, and we don't want to get wet. It can affect her wounds or the enter place to the water and make the wound bigger. So that's why we keep Dawn in the cage under the sun to make the wound got dry, something look more better or make baby safe, and can stay outside with Savana, Lisa, Dora, with everybody. So, but if we compare to the past, Dawn is much better. Like last time, she cannot eat after we got medical, the vitamin and antibiotics from vet. Dawn can get much better. Everybody can see the real situation. Dawn, what are you doing? What are you doing, girl? What are you doing, girl? Busy, yeah? Yeah, don't sleep well, don't has power. That's good. Also raining. The music is from pagoda. People celebrate ceremony and they play music like that. The traditional music or the Buddhist musical instruments. Abby coming now. Abby, baby. Good morning, B. Oh, Abby, you cold? You wanna stay in the cage? We done? B is cold. You can sleep or you can eat with Dawn. Abby, Tana. B. Done. Maybe I will put the doll inside. Let stay outside. Let Dawn stay outside and can eat. Yeah, much better. Lila, good morning. That is Lila. Big girl that you said Lila is shy, but she cannot see at all her eyes. Lila, she cannot see well. If we give her the fruit, we must give the fruit to near her mouth. She can eat. Okay.